Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line notation are coming from. And just quick context, the breakout is underway, breakout of what will that trend line that I talked about previously. So just before I delete these lines out of here and move forward, because no point. If you're curious on more of the the history of these lines, just go back in that video archive. But just understand that the context right now is being that trend line has been broken, so I'm going to get rid of those lines just so we don't have area or lines and annotations everywhere. But now the newest levels of support need to be mapped out, and one of the newest levels is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 1470. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 1470, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a very, very impressive sign of power and strength moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, they're just not mattering anymore. What do I mean by that? Well, the price has gone right back to behaving like you would want to see it act, and that's just right there. This being higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair-steps, meaning that as long as the price continues to build those stair-steps in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. But all in all, fantastic way to start the new week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.